Welcome to our Kitchen Talk podcast. Today, we're diving into the Cosmo dual fuel range and range hood bundle. It's an exciting set of appliances that's all about bringing professional style performance to your home kitchen.
Oh, that sounds fantastic. So what's so special about this bundle?
Well, it's a combination of a 36-inch dual fuel range and a matching 36-inch wall mount range hood. The range itself uses gas burners on top and an electric convection oven below. It's like getting the best of both worlds.
Yeah, I love the precision of electric ovens. So, what about the gas burners?
It comes with 5 sealed burners ranging from 18,000 BTUs down to 5,000 BTUs. So you've got high heat for searing and boiling and a low simmer burner for delicate sauces.
That versatility is great. And the oven, you mentioned convection?
Yes. It's got a 3.8 cubic foot electric convection oven with 8 functions. Things like traditional bake, convection bake, broil, even a pizza setting. It's
nice.
Designed to cook food evenly and faster than a standard oven.
That's awesome. And the range hood, how does it complement the range?
The range hood provides 380 CFM of airflow to remove smoke and odors.
Right.
It can be used ducted or ductless with an optional carbon filter kit. Plus, it has dishwasher-safe permanent filters.
I appreciate not having to replace filters all the time. Saves money and hassle.
Exactly, and it's made of brushed stainless steel, just like the range, so it looks sleek and modern.
Yeah.
The seamless chimney adds a nice touch.
So this bundle seems to offer a lot, but how does it stack up price-wise?
Well, it's listed at $1,974.40, which is actually a discounted price from the original. Considering the features and quality, it's a solid value proposition.
That's not bad for both a range and a hood of this caliber, but do they offer any warranties?
They do. There's a 1-year limited warranty on the range and a 2-year limited parts warranty on the range hood. Plus, customer support is based in the USA.
That's reassuring. Definitely important to have good support. Are there any safety features we should know about?
Yes, the range includes overheating protection and a cool-to-touch handle. Also, there's oven cavity cooling ventilation to keep things safe during cooking.
Safety first, but let me ask, what about installation? Are there any challenges there?
Well, the range comes with a 4-prong plug, and there's an optional liquid propane conversion kit if you need it. The range hood can be adjusted in height to fit your kitchen, so installation should be straightforward.
Got it. And the dimensions? It's important for fitting into existing spaces.
The range is 35.5 inches wide, 23.6 inches deep, and the height is adjustable between 35 to 37 inches. The range hood is 35 inches wide, 19.75 inches deep, and its height adjusts from 25.6 to 39.4 inches.
That's pretty standard. So, do you think this bundle is suitable for someone who's serious about cooking?
Absolutely. It's designed to give a professional cooking experience at home. The combination of high-performance burners and a versatile oven is great for home chefs.
But do you think the 380 CFM on the hood is sufficient for heavy cooking?
Well, that's a good point. For most home use, 380 CFM should be adequate. But if you're doing a lot of high-heat stir-frying, you might want to consider a higher CFM.
That's something to think about. It's important the ventilation matches your cooking style.
Exactly. So it's about matching the appliance to your needs.
Right.
Overall, for the price point and features, it's a strong contender.
Agreed. And the aesthetic is a bonus. Stainless steel always gives that professional kitchen look.
Definitely adds a touch of elegance. And Cosmo aims to make luxury appliances accessible. They seem to have delivered on that promise here.
So for someone upgrading their kitchen, this could be a great option.
I think so. It's like bringing a chef's kitchen into your home without breaking the bank.
Exactly. Well, this has been really insightful. Now I'm considering a kitchen makeover myself.
Haha, me too. There's nothing like new appliances to inspire some culinary creativity.
Absolutely. So, should we plan our next dinner party around these appliances?
That sounds like a plan. Let's get cooking.
Can't wait. Thanks for the great discussion. Until next time.